I want to share with you 5 ways where you can make money from the comfort of your own home, and we're starting right now. Hello, my name is Joshua from JustFrugalMe.com, and welcome to another video. If you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. In that way, you don't miss anything. Stick around to the end of this video for a bonus on how you can make up to $400 every single month with little or no effort on your part. Today I am going to share with you 5 ways that you can make money from the comfort of your own home. I am going to leave the links for all 5 in the section below. None of these are affiliate links. I just want to help somebody on your pathway to making a full-time income from home. Let the countdown begin. Number 5, start a dropship website. A drop shipping business is where you as the seller sell goods to your customers without holding on to any of the inventory. The customers purchase an item from your online store at retail price. You will forward that order to your supplier, which you pay at wholesale price. Once the warehouse receives your order, they will ship the item directly to your customer while you earn the profit. In turn, you are serving as the middleman, and stores and websites do this all the time. Number 4, become a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will complete administrative tasks by setting up appointments on Google Calendars, doing web research, website maintenance, posting comments to social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Also, you will serve as a virtual receptionist sometime. Number 3, online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great way that you can make income, especially if you have teaching experience or knowledgeable in a specific subject. Online tutoring is also fulfilling because you have the opportunity to help others, and it work out for you because it is very flexible with scheduling. Kaplan is a great place to get started. This company received a 4.6 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor.com. With Kaplan, the pay ranges anywhere between $17 per hour to all the way up to $38 per hour. But of course, that's depending on your discipline. Number 2, transcribe audio files. Transcriptionists listen to audio files and type what they hear. If you have the ability to have patience and the ability to sit for an extended period of time and have an eye for details, you should consider transcribing. With transcription work, you can make up to $25 per hour. Coming in at number 1, we have VIP Kids. I used to teach with VIP Kids a few years ago, and the great thing is, with VIP Kids, teachers teach English online to kids that are in China. While you have to have a bachelor's degree, you are not required to know any foreign language, or do you have to have any formal teaching experiences. Teachers can earn up to $22 every single hour by working on the VIP platform. They give you what to teach, so there is no need for lesson planning, staying up, trying to figure out what am I doing. They give you everything. And the great thing is easy and fun to do. Before we move on to our bonus feature, and if you're still watching and looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. And that way you don't miss anything. If you don't mind having a big commercial sign on the side of your car, you can earn up to $400 every month with freecarmedia.com. Link in the description box below. You can simply register yourself, and they're going to ask you questions like how many miles you drive per year, the year of your car, the make and model of your car, and you have to have a good driving record as well. They're going to ask you those type of questions, and they will match you up with an advertiser where you fit their criteria. After they find an advertiser for you, you begin to drive and get paid. It's really that simple. Hopefully, these are some things that will give you good insight on where you can start making extra money from home today. So my question to you is, what are some of the things that you do that can make money fast from home? Leave them in the comment section below. I would love to read them, and also it will help out other people. But most importantly, remember that being frugal is not about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day.